commissions. Stop random posting. Start systematic earning. Your step-by-step blueprint to first and next commissions is finally here. Page facing up important. This is a digital product and will be delivered to you instantly in PDF format. No physical products will be shipped. Get instant access for $27. 60-day ironclad money-back guarantee, your results or your money back. What if you could finally break free from posting Digistore 24 links that get 0? Discover the exact 90-minute daily method that took me from $0 to consistent Digistore 24 commissions. Stop random posting. To first and next commissions is finally here. Page facing up important. This is a digital product and will be delivered to you instantly in PDF format. No physical products will be shipped. Get instant access for $27. 60-day ironclad money-back guarantee, your results or your money back. What if you could finally break free from posting Digistore 24 links that get 0 engagement? Watching gurus succeed while you stay stuck at $0. Spending hours creating content that disappears into the void. Feeling like you're missing some secret everyone else knows. The frustration of inconsistent or non-existent commissions. The proven system that changes everything. This isn't another collection of random tips. This is a proven working method that shows you precisely how to identify winning Digistore 24 products in under 10 minutes. How to create content that actually gets clicks using my templates. How to implement the 90-minute power hour system that generates results. How to track the 3 metrics that actually predict sales, not vanity metrics. How to scale from your first to your next commission systematically. What's inside 5 modules, 16 chapters. Module 1, Foundation Week, days 1 to 7. Chapter 1, the 0 to first commission mindset shift. Chapter 2, your Digistore 24 account, 5 critical settings you're probably missing. Chapter 3, the product selection matrix, find winners fast. Chapter 4, the launch kit, your 3 essential free tools. Module 2, Traffic Week, days 8 to 14. Chapter 5, the content magnet method, 1 piece equals weeks of traffic. Chapter 6, strategic commenting, leverage other people's audiences. Chapter 7, the micro community strategy, 3 Facebook groups that convert. Module 3, Conversion Week, days 15 to 21. Chapter 8, the bridge message, what to say between content and your link. Chapter 9, Digistore specific copy hacks, mirror their language for trust. Chapter 10, the follow-up funnel, 3-touch rule without being annoying. Module 4, System Week, days 22 to 28. Chapter 11, the daily power hour, 90-minute system that works. Chapter 12, tracking beyond clicks, 3 metrics that predict sales. Chapter 13, batch creation, week's content in 90 minutes. Module 5, Scale Week, days 29-30 plus. Chapter 14, the what's working analysis, double down on success. Chapter 15, Introduction to Paid Scaling, $5 per day testing. Chapter 16, Building your asset, turn 1 winner into multiple streams. Get instant access for $27. Get these 4 game-changing bonuses free when you order today. Total bonus value, $180. Bonus 1, the Plug and Play Content Pack. Value, $47. 5 Feable Bridge Message Templates. 10 Proven Headline Formulas. 3 Complete Email Sequences. 7 Content Calendar Templates. Social Media Templates plus Canva links. Stop staring at blank screens. Copy, paste, customize, post. Bonus 2, the Commission Calendar. Value, $29. Daily 90-minute power hour schedules. Weekly review and planning sheets. Habit trackers and streak calendars. Progress dashboards and success trackers. Transform knowledge into action with this accountability system. Bonus 3, the Done For You Launch Kit. Value, $67. 30 days of content ideas calendar. 50 pre-written social media posts. 3 complete email sequences. Graphic templates with Canva links. Launch checklist and timeline. Performance tracking sheets. Launch your next product in 7 days, not 7 weeks. Everything except the Publish button. Bonus 4. The Affiliate Toolbox. Value: $37. 15 essential free tools, curated for affiliates. Tool stacks for beginners, intermediate, advanced. Weekly workflow using these tools. Setup guides for each tool. Troubleshooting common issues. Stop wasting time on wrong tools. Here's exactly what works, and it's all free. Here's everything you get today. Ebook, 16 chapters, complete system, $47. Bonus 1, plug and play content pack, $47. Bonus 2, commission calendar, $29. Bonus 3, done for you launch kit, $67. Bonus 4, affiliate toolbox, $37. Total value, $207. Your investment today, $27. You save $180, 87% off. Get instant access for $27. 60-day ironclad money-back guarantee. I believe in this system so much that I'm giving you a full 60 days to test it. Here's my guarantee. Implement the system for 60 days. If you don't see results, email me for a 100% refund. No questions asked. No hoops to jump through. You either get results or you get your money back. Why 60 days? Because real transformation takes time. The first 30 days are for implementation. The next 30 days are for results. This gives you 2 full months to see the system work. You have absolutely nothing to lose and everything to gain. Is this right for you? This ebook is your solution if you're tired of posting Digistore links with 0 results. You're willing to commit 90 focused minutes daily. You want a proven system, not more random tips. You're ready to follow step-by-step, actionable instructions. You believe consistent action beats sporadic hustle. Please don't buy this if you want get rich quick without daily effort. You're not willing to implement a system consistently. You prefer theory over actionable steps. You expect magical results without following the method. You're looking for passive income with 0 work. Frequently asked questions. Question why 60 days instead of 30? Because real affiliate marketing success takes consistent implementation. 30 days gets the system running. 60 days shows you results. I'm confident you'll see value within 60 days or you get every penny back. Question: do I need experience or a large following? Absolutely not. This method is designed specifically for affiliates starting from 0. We leverage existing communities and strategic engagement instead of building an audience from scratch. Question: is 90 minutes daily really enough? Yes, 90 focused minutes beats 8 unfocused hours. The Power Hour system is about quality execution, not marathon sessions. Most affiliates waste hours on unproductive tasks. This system eliminates that. Question: are the tools in the affiliate toolbox really free? 100% free. All 15 tools have robust free tiers that handle everything beginners need. I only recommend upgrading when you're already making money. Question: what if I fall behind the 30-day schedule? The commission calendar is flexible. Life happens. The system works whenever you implement it consistently. The 60-day guarantee gives you plenty of time. Question: can I use this for ClickBank/Warrior Plus/other platforms? While optimized for Digistore, the principles work for any affiliate marketing. The templates are Digistore focused, but easily adaptable. Your first commission awaits. The only thing missing is your action. Imagine 60 days from now. You have a proven product that converts. You have a 90-minute daily system that actually works. You have templates for all your key activities. You have consistent commissions coming in. You have a clear, scalable path forward. All that separates you from that reality is making a decision today. Get instant access for $27. What you get immediately. From 0 to commission ebook, digital, instant access. Bonus 1, plug and play content pack. Bonus 2, commission calendar. Bonus 3, done for you launch kit. Bonus 4, affiliate toolbox. 60-day money-back guarantee. P.S. The #1 regret I hear from affiliates is, I wish I had a system sooner. Your future self is waiting for you to take action today. At $27 with a 60-day guarantee, you're literally risking nothing. PPS, remember, this complete package is valued at $207. You're getting it for $27 as a special offer. This price won't last forever. Privacy policy terms of service. Contact support about us impressum/imprint. Disclaimer: this ebook contains affiliate marketing strategies that require consistent effort and implementation. Results are not guaranteed and depend on individual effort, market conditions, and other factors. The success stories and examples are not typical and are not intended to guarantee that you will achieve the same results. This information is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always conduct your own research before making any financial decisions. Copyright 2026 from Zero to Commission. All rights reserved. These earnings are not representative for the average participants. The average participant will earn significantly less or no money at all through this product or service. 2026 Copyright Digistore 24 Incorporated, United States, Inc. and/or its licensors. Review legal notice here, terms of use here, and privacy policy here. Contact us here.